YouTubers, we're out on a dog walk and I'm doing with Riley.
Yeah. Hello.
Casey.
Hello.
YouTube.
YouTubers. This is Casey.
Free.
Hello.
How big it is. This is how, look how big this is, guys. Is it big?
Yeah.
Blow it. Good try. Wonderful field. Wonderful. Friend. At least you met a friend of theirs.
When it's school
How did you feel? Yeah. You happy? Yeah, they just met a friend of theirs at school and trying to get in my video. And I don't know who she's called, but she's a really lovely girl. We didn't meet her or anything. She just said, "Hey, Casey." That was so cute. But yeah. Sorry, this video is going to be a bit random, but who cares? Cool design on brick. Hello guys, it's me again.
I got a spider. You want to see him?
Okay. Did you poke him? Yeah.
Spider. I've got another spider.
Bye.
Got another spider. Black widow as well. Black widow. It's on your back. There's a black widow on your back.
I have to carry poo. 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 We have just been to a shop. We've got some squash.
Yep. Yeah, man. I'm the only one with a different colour.
You thought we got some other people that's got different ones.
Where is it?
But this is really nice. Boys, we need to do a run up. So yeah. Beautiful day today, going for a walk. School tomorrow, fortunately. But it's my birthday next week, so you're so excited. I am. But it's on a school day, so don't know how I'm going to do that.
Do it after school.
I'll film my birthday presents and my cake. Definitely.
Do them after school.
Yeah, I'm going to
Do the video after school and the opening presents after school so I can show the video. YouTube.
Anyways, my name's Jeff.
21.
21. Yeah, 21.
Live down.
You having fun, Blake?
I'm 22.
Thank you, right?
And I'm old.
He wouldn't stop
Right
talking.
straight.
Stephen, he doesn't stop talking, does he?
Right now.
That's what we got. Camp fan.
Yeah. Bigger propeller. Bigger propeller.
Guess so.
Talking away. Talking away. Talking away.
It's debuted. Darcy's just had a little fall over just a minute ago. You probably can't even hear me, but who cares? I'll probably just add this video as normal. No, it's not big Anyway, I probably won't be adding a bit of more, because you know on some, oh hello, you know on some of my videos, I basically, I put music on, but I'm not going to, so yeah. I found
Your man found a horseshoe thingy. Well, it looks like one.
yeah, if you say so. Comment down below if that's a horseshoe. I've got to go now, guys. Bye!